Wednesday, January 7th, 2026. The time is 15:38, 34 degrees, Vail Pass Summit, I-70 West. We've got an incoming 6 to 12 inches, 8 to 16 inches. These snow totals vary. If we get a colder temperature swing, then we'll probably get less. I think that goes through Friday. Conditions are nice up here right now, but definitely watch the weather. I-70 Vail Pass. Plan ahead, there's an incoming snowstorm, I think, through tonight, through Thursday. Check the weather, check co-trip to make sure the highway's open. Roads are looking good right now, traffic's pretty nice. Travel safe out there, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Possible snowy update later.